Fitness for Women is an Android application specifically tailored to meet the fitness needs and goals of women. The app provides a comprehensive platform that includes a variety of workout routines, nutrition plans, and wellness tips, designed to empower users to achieve their health and fitness objectives. Features typically include customized workout plans that cater to different fitness levels, from beginners to advanced users, covering areas such as strength training, cardio, and flexibility. The app may also offer instructional videos and step-by-step guides to ensure proper form and technique during exercises. In addition to workouts, Fitness for Women often includes nutrition guides that help users make informed dietary choices, track their meals, and maintain a balanced diet. Progress tracking tools enable users to monitor their fitness journey, set personal goals, and celebrate their achievements. Overall, Fitness for Women serves as a motivating and supportive resource for women looking to enhance their physical fitness and overall health on their Android devices.